At the end of the first round, Presbyterian Senior High Technical School Aburi has 8 points. Kumasi Academy has 11 points. Presec Legon has 26 points. First set of questions, 30 seconds each. First one. Given the matrices, A is a 2 by 2 matrix with elements 2, 0, 3, 1. And B is another 2 by 2 matrix with elements 3, -1, 2, -2. Find the determinant of AB. Yes, Benjamin.
Okay, so the determinant of AB is giving me -52.
Who rang next? Yes, which of you, Kisi?
-8.
Yes. Okay. If sine theta is equal to x and 0 less than theta less than pi over 2, find an expression for tangent of theta. Yes, which of you? Kisi?
Tangent of theta is given by the expression x over square root of the expression 1 minus x, all square.
That's incorrect. You rang. No, over there. Yes, Benjamin.
Tan theta is equal to x over square root of 1 minus x squared.
Yes. Next one. Find the equation of a curve whose gradient is given by dy dx is equal to 3x squared minus 2x plus 5. And the curve passes through the point A with coordinates 1, 6. Yes, Gakpeto.
Curve is given by y equals x cubed minus x squared plus 5x plus 1.
Yes. Next question, 30 seconds. A 2.0 volt voltage step is applied to a series RC circuit with R equals 10.0 ohms and C equals 0.20 farad. Find the current in the circuit 1.0 seconds after the voltage is applied. The right answer is 0.12 ampere. Next one, 10 seconds. A uniform solid cylindrical rod of mass m and length L at rest on a smooth horizontal table is kicked at one end by an impulse I perpendicular to the rod axis. How far from the kicked end does the rod begin to rotate? This one, either you know or you don't know. L over 3. Next one, 30 seconds. The mass of the muon is 105.7 mega electron volts per c squared. Find the electron de Broglie wavelength in the annihilation of a stationary muon and a stationary antimuon, which produces an electron-positron pair. The right answer is 1.17 times 10 raised to the power -14 meters. Next question, 30 seconds. If it takes 52.0 seconds for a gas of molar mass 64.0 to effuse from a vessel through a pinhole, how long will it take methane gas? Yes.
26.0 seconds.
Yes. That was a proper speed race effort. All right. 10 seconds. Next question, 10 seconds. Explain why metals can be beaten into flat sheets. Yes, which of you? Go ahead, Benjamin.
This is because metals have spaces in them, and due to their metallic bonding, their layers can slide over each other. So it makes them easy to be beaten into different shapes because of their malleability.
I'm not accepting that. Yes, you are basically telling me what I already told you, that they can be beaten into flat sheets. It means they are malleable, so you don't have to tell me that again. I wanted the explanation. Okay, so metals are malleable because in the metal lattice, you have ions that are surrounded by mobile electrons arranged in layers, right? When a force is applied longitudinally, the layers slip over one another in the longitudinal direction, and when the force is applied laterally, the layers slip laterally. That was the main explanation I was looking for. This is speed race. Must be perfect. All right, next one, 10 seconds. Give the expression for the half-life of a radioisotope. Yes, Gakpeto.
The half-life equals ln of 2 divided by the decay constants.
Yes. Next set of questions, 10 seconds each. First one. What evidence do scientists use to show that dinosaurs once existed on Earth? Yes, that's correct.
Scientists use the fossils of dinosaurs which have been found, and these fossils which show the form and structure of the dinosaurs when they live.
Next one. Why should the turgor pressure of the guard cells affect the opening and closing? Yes, Kisi?
When water moves into the guard cells, the turgor pressure increases. And when this happens, they become turgid and they become contracted. Hence, because the guard cells surround the opening of the stomata, when they become contracted and turgid, the stomata automatically opens. But when water moves out of the guard cell by osmosis, the guard cells relaxes such that the stomata openings close. And due to...
I'm not accepting it. Yes, Benjamin.
For guard cells, turgor pressure increases. When the turgor pressure increases, it causes the guard cells to expand. And in this expansion, they open the pores of the stomata, and it causes air to enter in and out. And when the turgor pressure decreases, it causes the cell walls of the guard cells to withdraw and close the opening of the stomata.
Yes. Okay. So they don't contract. They don't contract, rather they swell. Okay. Last question for the round. A mature mammalian erythrocyte lacks mitochondria. Yes. Which of you? Benjamin.
So they lack mitochondria in order to get more surface area to be able to transport oxygen throughout the body. And also, they do not need mitochondria to produce their energy for their movement.
No. You rang. Okay.
Mature erythrocytes lack mitochondria because their function is to carry oxygen to cells that need this oxygen. And so if they lack mitochondria, it means they will not undergo aerobic respiration and hence will only survive with glycolysis so that they will not use up the oxygen they are carrying so that the cells that they carry them to will not be deficient of this oxygen.
Okay. That's the end of the second round. At the end of the second round, Presbyterian Senior High Technical School Aburi has 8 points. Kumasi Academy has 12 points. Presec Legon has 40 points.